Yeah, dear viewers, right now, I am Rakesh Kumar Jha. I am an educator, UPSC, civil services coach, author, and motivational speaker. Right now, I am with Professor Dr. Ram Saran Ram Bhaskarji, and he has been doing a tremendous job for the society and particularly for the youth. And it is really a gem for us. It is really blessings for us that Mr. Bhaskar sir is with me. And today evening, I am going to discuss about a lot of topics, and that topics really combines particularly the writing skill and one more thing, importance of writing habits also, that how we can have develop the writing habits. Reading habits is also one of the important factor, because India, caters maximum youth in this world. But what is lacking behind that? They should have a proper kinds of direction. They should have a proper library. They should have a kind of thing that across the country, because million people are living in this country and billions are living in this country. So what exactly Bhaskar sir would say, and he's having tremendous job across the country, across the world. So I mean, it's really a good evening, and it's a warm welcome, sir. It's Bhaskar sir. Welcome to my talk show. I call it Success Story, Success Talk, and it is really a blessings for all of us that you are with us. You are giving your precious time. Please, you just throw the light to the viewers that what exactly, how the reading habits can be promoted among the youth, because this education can only bring socio-economic changes in and across the world. So what exactly should be the right way on our behalf? We should not blame any other people and all. What Mahatma Gandhi said, what Einstein said, don't ask what the country has done for yourself. You ask yourself that what you have done for the sake of country, what exactly you want to change the bring, what exactly you want to do the things. And that's why it is the full of informations, examples, and full of kinds of things that the society is filled of. And a lot of people in the old days and during the national movement, they had done a tremendous job for the sake of society and country itself. So what exactly you want to suppose to say the people of this country or across the world, so that the reading habits can be re-established even in the terms of like COVID crisis and all? Yes, Bhaskar sir, please. And you introduce yourself also in a much higher and larger perspective.
Yeah, I am just the church father.
Yeah,
I completed my PhD from Allahabad,
great.
and now I am pursuing my another doctorate
Oh,
from Senate of Srirampur College, Calcutta, and this is a very enlightening talk we are going to discuss. Is a way I'm very glad to hear you after so long time. And it should be time to time we should have meet on the Zoom, because the pandemic made everybody to disconnect. But thank God that digital, this technologies brought everybody together, connected to each one of us. So thank God for this wonderful technology. Now we are talking, we are sitting, you are sitting at your home, I am sitting at my here office. So it's a good, very nice to meeting after so long time and discussing on the education, especially on education. Education is the only tool, is one of the key tool to success in our life. And education is only to enlighten them. Many people are also many highly educated, but they are just like sometimes like they are not very broad minded. But I can't say this one also. But according to their perspective, what is situation? But we must. We are talking about the today on education on our youth, especially youth. According to my suggestion, my idea, in our country, it's my idea to everybody. Everybody should have education. Everybody, at least 12th standard. I know you are also suffering. Your two daughters are studying in the private school. You are suffering for the providing their fees, their needs. Very difficult. You know better than me how to meeting their needs. So this is my thinking. So every child of this country should have free education, at least 12th standards. Free education, 12th standard up to free education. And one thing's after that, and this government, so whoever maybe, I'm not criticizing any other government, their policy, but like Delhi government and some other school, government school, all teachers are very educated. They are coming through that clearing their net, and then they are coming CET and TET, whatever maybe. So education should have everybody compulsory. Every should have compulsory, and then they can go grown up. When they will get the education, then they will know about their value. Without education, without a higher education, very difficult to get the platform. Is my idea and my suggestion, my experience. Because
Yes.
people are so many people are nowadays are suffering. A lot of educated people are, they have connected their like that. Many engineers, many doctors, many B.Ed, many high PhD people are wandering here and there because lack of job. One of the, you are the example of the, you are one of the very highly person, highly qualified person, and you know how much you are struggling. You have so many times you have shared about the your struggle, but struggle make you success.
Very true.
Struggle make you success, and everybody have to go through that struggle, because through the struggle, when you reach your goal, then you will realize about your struggle. So everybody should have education right way, at least 12th standard. Then after go what their desire, what they want to do, and youth should have a good direction. Youth must have to a good direction in the right way, and because be religious person, myself also always like to teach the youth to only to get education. First is tool is education. Without education, you will be exploited somewhere. If you have right education, you have right knowledge, then you can help to somebody else. You can guide somebody else. You can lead somebody else. So we must become a leader, but leader should have to lead like you told so many names. They are committed people. Mahatma Gandhi, he struggled a lot. Nelson Mandela, Barack Obama, you see, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Lal Bahadur Shastri, our former Prime Minister. So I heard about their history. His story sometime. One thing, Jawaharlal Nehru, oh, Pandit, not sorry, Jawaharlal Nehru, uh,
Lal
Lal Bahadur
Bahadur
Shastri,
Shastri.
while he became a prime minister, his wife said, now you are become a prime minister of this country, so you can buy one dhoti. His dhoti, he had only two dhoti. So he said, my people, my farmer are struggling. So I have no right to wear the dhoti, no right to buy a new dhoti. So this type of leaders today is very difficult to get it. And so we have to challenge, take the whatever may be, agar few people maybe if through our guidance, our education, so we must have to follow, lead them somebody else. If you in your life, if only one person can you have guided in right way, that means your work, your hard work is, I think, your success in your life. We can't change the whole country, we can't change the whole nation, but we have to change ourselves. And somebody, maybe if you became an inspiration to somebody else, you become a blessing to somebody else. So that is, I think, that is a success in our life.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So there are good. You have taken a good initiative today. Good discussion.
Yeah.
So whatever um, maybe in our life, yeah, one person, in our ready, somebody, some teachers ready, mothers ready, father ready, nation ready. So we are ready. We are debited. So we have to fulfill this all the require,
Yeah.
or talking is good, discussing is good, but sometimes we always we having some so many platform. So we are talking and discussing on the youth, on the women, but this talk only in the office level, not going outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
So sometimes we have to very clearly, many very wise people are there in our country, very uh, talented, very knowledgeable people are there. But we are talking, many people talk on the white, only AC room, only having good food, everything. But that is under the room. That's not work out in the grassroots level.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to work on the grassroots level.
Good. Good.
Many people are uh, who is living in the remote area, very village area. So there is very problem. The schools problem are there. They have no schools. They are going mm, by walking school in city. Children are buses are coming and pick up the children. But in you are also from the Bihar. You know better than me.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
We
Yeah.
should not forget our root.
Very true.
We have to always try to root it and empower our people. Eh? Try to be a good human, help the so somebody say help the needy, help our youth. Youth is the one of the, we can say, pillar. So I can suggest this one. We can raise our voice. We can say, so education is the only tool to get success.
Very true. Very true.
है
Now you know that okay, education is the most powerful weapon to get the success, that it is already everything is out there. But what exactly, where you know that people are going, particularly today's even parents, I can say, or the youth, are not that much attached to the books. The main concern of mine, that when you were the student or I was the student, in our school days, our parents also believed to provide the goods. I mean, the good books and good talk shows, everything, All India Radio, and a lot of discussions. They were really a kind of role model. But nowadays, what is happening? The youth are somewhere disconnected with the books. It is really a big problem. So, what do you think? How this can be started, even from our home?
Today, I can say today, today WhatsApp University.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
WhatsApp University making so many problems. And they are getting through the only WhatsApp University.
yeah,
They don't want to read the books.
yeah.
And books, if they will read the books, they will become something new things. But everything through the WhatsApp is same message, viraling all over. One message, if coming somebody sending, so that message is going here and there. So WhatsApp University is creating, I think, a lot of problem also.
Yeah,
And it's a good also, but for the students, passing the information, that's okay, but sometimes wrong information make problem.
very true.
This internet through the, we are meeting today, we are face to face, but WhatsApp message, sometime if you're writing the message, today people are forwarding the message, getting forwarding, but again forwarding. They are not reading even they also. If they don't have time to read 200 message, who will going to read? That is the problem. But technology, this one very good. I thank God and thank that human being, those who have broad-minded, those made this up to this level. So we are meeting each other. Doesn't matter. We both are in Delhi, but if you are in Bihar, if you are in some other place, then also through the internet we can meet.
Yeah, that is very, it is, as you have rightly said, this is a really God's grace. Everyone thanks to the God's Almighty.
Yeah, God's grace.
Because,
Everyone we have to thank.
thank, because,
Uh,
no,
during pandemic, you see all the our students are online, dependent on online internet.
very good.
School are closed, but people are, but you have to pay the fees. But you are not paying only bus charges.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
But the rest of things you have to pay.
yeah, 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 yeah.
I think we have to our if our respected government should think about on those things. So everybody should have compulsory education, compulsory job. Everybody have like Israel. That is a Jewish country.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody, every family, one person from every family have to go to the military.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But in one country, not like that. Very difficult to get the government job.
Very true, very true, very true.
है ना?
Yeah,
So some things we have to think very creatively, deeply. So every our youth should not, because youth are going to backslide due to lack of job.
yeah, very true, very true.
Corruption due to lack of job. This we have to teach them. They should have honest. Honesty is the best policy. There is no honesty, sir. There is only corruption. They are fighting for the religions.
Very true.
And that is a big problem.
Yeah,
Love each other.
yeah, yeah. Definitely, we
We are
should,
human beings.
live by
We
love.
have to love each other.
Very true, very true. We should live by love. It is, God has given, I told so
Anna,
many times, God has given certain time, certain life cycle. So suppose in
yeah.
childhood and adulthood, and then we go to old age. So why should not to love each other? Definitely, we should love each other. We should have respect each other, because ultimately, respected Bhaskar sir, I can say you that why God has sent us. Definitely, they had sent us just to serve the humanity, because
Yes, yes, that's true.
once I become the father or a son or brother or anything or friend even, then what's the point that we have to take care of the family, take care of the friends, take care of the things. So definitely, but all these things can happen, as you have rightly said, that technology has brought a lot of good things. The same thing what Dr. Kalam used to say in his book. In the book is uh, Wings of Fire or Ignited Mind. In that books, he said that the youth should come for the science study. We as a nation, I can say that okay, ISRO is doing great job all the time. They are doing a great job. Even moon mission is there, Surj mission is there, Mars mission is there. Lots of missions are there. But exactly, we should also focus on the science education through the,
Uh,
yeah,
mission is there, but they are missing their mission.
exactly, exactly.
Mission means carry forward. Carry forward. You came from the Bihar, more than 1,000 kilometers.
Yeah,
Myself also come from the UP, Varanasi from the 800 kilometers. We have migrated from there.
true.
And if somebody says if you want to grow, you must migrate. Your living style, your eating style, everything, your culture style, everything will be changed.
Very true.
So something we have to think deeply, and we have to work beyond. Humanity is the greatest. Humanity is the super, सबसे ऊपर रिलीजन है. ह्यूमैनिटी से बड़ा कोई रिलीजन नहीं है. देयर इज नो एनी अदर रिलीजन देन ह्यूमैनिटीज. So first we have to love each other, respect each other, and love for each other, live for each other. When this is our ethics, our character. If we will thinks about you are my brother, we have same blood, we are taking same breath, we are under same human,
Very true.
we are same on the same earth. So why differences? That is our faith. But people should mean the faith to faith and work for the humanity. But sometimes people are fighting some things about that caste, color, religions. Arey, sir, roti doesn't have any religion. Bread have no religion. Water has no religion.
Very true, very true. So, sir, everything can be possible only when once again come to the point that the education. But point is that once the people are not educated, so how it is possible to give at least a good education, quality education? Suppose at your home or mine home or I mean anyone's home, if you do not have, you have your cloth, you have your shelter, everything. But if you go to village or even in the city life, I can say you that the people do not have good library. I am seeing good books behind you. You can see the books behind me. So this is the books that really give the imprint on our mind. When you read books, as it is said, that mother gives birth one time, but books give birth a lot of time. When you read like Mother Teresa or you read Dr. Kalam or you read, I mean, any great personality when you read. So that positive things comes to your mind and that really, it transform your anatomy, transform your thinking. So how it is possible that is it possible? What should be the mechanism to provide books to the people, like a gift culture or like promotion of books, and how it can be possible? Because I am seeing a lot of books behind you. So what is the way out to inject, to give the books and to promote the reading habits at every household?
Books, we have to read the book, and many of them, that is a habit also. Somebody has their own habit.
Yeah.
Somebody has their own habit. Somebody have their own habit, sir. It depends upon habit. If my habit is to always read and write, but that depend upon our habit, what they want to do. Somebody want to always um, in the mobile chatting, cheating, है.
Yeah.
But I'll read some book. So depend upon this one habit, our nature. We can't say about that.
Okay. Okay.
You are a person. You are taking initiative only one person.
Yeah.
So many like you study together, but you are only one. Rakesh Jha Sahab is taking the initiative to talking on the youth, on the nation, on the people, our society to how to grow.
Yeah.
Myself is taking this pen to everybody should have education, a free education.
Yeah.
That is, but it won't work out. This is our suggestion.
Very true. Very true.
Because if compulsory means they will go to the school. You have to compulsory, you have to up to 12th class, you have to complete it.
Very true.
So that is a, yeah. So I think you are only one person. God has called you for this noble cause.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And you are only one person. Many Jha families there, many Jha Sahib there, हजारों, लाखों. But one Rakesh Jha is quality आता.
Yes.
So that is it.
Definitely, definitely, because God has given some work for
Yeah,
everyone,
yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah, whether you and me, and I hope that everything would be very perfect, and sooner or later everything would be very fine, and everything is there. So, and one thing that I want to tell you also that you have been also doing tremendous job across the country, across the things, and whenever I meet you, I find good cause, good things, good suggestions, everything is out there, and it is because of your philosophy, the education, like you have done your PhD, now again you are going for the
You
another
will take the
PhD.
tea.
This is also a kind of like appetite,
Please take.
kind of like
This is
passion.
if
Already
anyone
you have
wants, please
done
take.
one PhD, but once again you are moving for the second PhD.
Just
So this
I'm
is
finishing with
what
the
a
thing.
kind of understanding, learning. I can make you
वो
see
नहीं
that
गया
very
लड़का
soon or later you
लड़का
can
तो
see a lot of changes in
ऐसे
your
थोड़ा सा
society, and
कप
that
मंगा दिया था ना
Mr. Bhaskar sir is doing tremendous job all the time, and I am
कप
glad
मंगा दिया था नीचे
to
से
share
ऊपर से
with my viewers that Mr.
ऊपर से
Bhaskar sir
मंगाना है
has been doing tremendous changes.
मेरा मोबाइल भी
He
है
has been
तो
in
ऊपर
doing
बोल
conducting
वो है
seminars and all sort of
प्रिंस
things.
बोल दो 2-3 कप दे दो बेटा
Really very,
ये
very too
रहते हैं
much,
हम
very,
चाय
very doing
नहीं लो यार
tremendous
ये पड़ी
kind of
है
things. And books are the real
ले
friends.
ऊपर
Books
पड़ा
are the gem
लेकिन प्रिंस
for
चाय
all the youth who are loving all sort of things. So I
लेकिन
can
चाय दूसरी
and
चाय
I
दूध
can
वाली नहीं
make you that if you can make all sort of things in a proper and rightful manner, then definitely like
या झा साहब
yes, yes, sir. I am just talking about your
प्लीज
PhD. I am talking about your PhD. That one man who has already done PhD, another PhD he is doing. What does it mean? That he is a passion. He's a passion for getting more knowledge, more concentration. So this is the passion. Already he is his doctorate, but why he is going for second PhD? So this kind of PhD is the highest level of knowledge. That is why I tell every viewer that you should also get good education, and we should also love books and all. Bhaskar sir, one more thing, because your time is very precious. One, two more questions I want to know from you. That what exactly drives you, because you have already done one PhD. फिर आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि मैं फिर दोबारा PhD करूं? क्योंकि क्योंकि
That's my habit to study.
यस, बिल्कुल
My
सही।
habit is to study and build up our skills.
या तो भास्कर सर ने वही कहा, हैबिट। तो इसको अब बच्चों आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि जब तक यू शुड नॉट हैव द हैबिट, हैबिट शुड बी देयर। जैसे गुड हैबिट है, बैड हैबिट है, तो ये भी क्या है,
You
एक
know,
हैबिट। तो भास्कर
one
सर,
of the word in Hindi said जुनून, जुनून बोलते हैं ना जुनून,
यस यस, दिस इज द राइट वर्ड,
करेज।
करेज,
एक ना जुनून का शब्द इंग्लिश में नहीं मिल पाता ढंग का, हम करेज कह सकते हैं, बट जुनून एक होता है पढ़ने लिखने का,
जो पैशन जिसको अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं, पैशन, पैशनेटली जिसका काम करना है, जुनून है।
है ना? हाँ, ये
बिल्कुल,
चीजें हैं।
बिल्कुल पैशनेटली काम करना है। और मैं समझता हूँ कि सर आपके सानिध्य में, विथ योर ग्रेस, लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव बीन चेंज आल्सो विथ योर on activities and different, and he also loves book. He has been to so many seminars. I invited him to the World Book Fair also. So such a person who loves book definitely can. And sir, one more thing that I want to
या
share, that if you look at great personalities of the world, they were good educationists also. Any person, first of all, they understood the power of education, whether from Raja Ram Mohan Rai or from anything. That's why they never quarreled anyone. They started things with the society. They started changes society, even in the old days, in the ancient period, medieval period, modern days also. And that's why Raja Ram Mohan Rai called as a father of modern India in our country. So this is what I mean. Education is very important tool for all of us. Father, you should also say few messages to the youth of this country, that how they should take up this technology as a boon for their education, and how they should not be deprived, how they should not be dejected and depressed. Rather, they should take as an opportunity to change themselves in this crisis of corona, and how they should love the book to change themselves and at larger perspective, the society and country itself. Yes, please, Father.
Corona, this pandemic has a two way. You know, every coins have two way.
Yeah.
Corona made so many people, even the migrant people, suffer lots, and even the um, workers, labor classes, they have lost their job. And one thing, I have written one of the articles.
Oh,
My assignment, one of that, my doctor's program, I've written on impact of COVID-19.
oh, great.
So that was the positive and negative both. See, if you see the environmental
Impact.
upgradation, environmental way, mein environment now upgraded. Some of the people are relationship like na, family, husband, wife, children. Now they are living together. And some of the people see here better hygiene also.
Good.
And now they are to learn about the new tools and software. These are the some of the positive impact. Few of them became a rich. Few of them became rich, but many of them became a kangal, poor. That is the impact is this one is especially negative impact on education, financial loss, job loss, and one thing can say war like situation. Doctor and medical staff, police, doctor team, medical team, and police all they were and there, and even their impact on religion also. See, mandir, masjid, gurdwara, church all closed. So this one, every coin has two sides. Some goes with lockdown, where it has positively impacted environment and control contamination to the considerable extent. It has also badly affected economy of the world. And however, if lockdown has not been implemented, the condition of the world would have been severe. In today's Delhi lockdown, Delhi pandemic is cases, Delhi and NCR both, not the Delhi only, NCR in Faridabad, see, Gurgaon, Noida, these all related to each other. So area, the condition are same. But we have to survive, help each other, respect each other, love each other, and only time things to meet through this internet.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
Yeah, na?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
So
thank you so much, Sahab.
thank
Nice talking to you.
thank you very much, sir. You have given your precious time, your dear viewers. It was a really nice time too for us because Professor Dr. Bhaskar sir was with us, and he
Yeah.
has given a lot of opportunities, a lot of things to share. Particularly, he coined one word, the habit. How the habit should be developed among the budding youth of this country. Because if you love habit, if you love your education, it can be possible, it can be feasible only through the habit. So, like him, suppose he has done one PhD and then he is again going for the second PhD. This kind of habit can be started at the home level also. And definitely the education is one of the main force, main tool through which you can change yourself. Once again, thank you very much, Dr. Bhaskar sir. You have given your ample time. And
Thank you so much.
thank you very much. And we'll be continuing more and more discussions
Thank you.
topics.
And we will meet again.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So